Welcome to this video exploring the technology behind fingerprint sensors. We will break down the differences between optical and ultrasonic sensors and see how they compare. Modern smartphones store sensitive personal data, making secure unlocking essential. In-display fingerprint sensors have become a standard, fast solution for keeping that information protected. Engineers primarily use two methods to achieve this: optical sensors, which utilize light to capture a fingerprint, and ultrasonic sensors, which rely on sound waves. Optical sensors function by flashing a bright light at your finger. A CMOS camera then captures a 2D photograph of the print to compare against stored data. Optical sensors are popular for being fast, affordable, and widely used across many mid-range smartphone models, providing reliable performance for everyday use. However, optical sensors have weaknesses. Water can cause light refraction, leading to blurry scans, and high-quality 2D prints can potentially fool the camera. Ultrasonic sensors operate differently by emitting high-frequency sound pulses. By timing the echo off your finger, the system builds a precise 3D map. The strength of ultrasonic technology lies in its ability to map 3D depth, work rapidly, and function effectively even when fingers have grease, dirt, or sweat. On the other hand, ultrasonic sensors are more expensive to manufacture. Additionally, physical barriers can sometimes block the sound waves, hindering performance. When tested with wet fingers, optical sensors often struggle because water refracts the light, whereas ultrasonic sensors succeed by reading through the moisture. Regarding screen protectors, optical sensors handle thicker glass well because light passes through easily. Conversely, ultrasonic sensors may fail if the protector exceeds 0.2 millimeters. For security, ultrasonic sensors offer an advantage with 3D mapping, which is harder to spoof than the 2D images used by optical sensors, though both meet banking standards. Market adoption reflects these costs. Budget and mid-range devices generally opt for optical sensors, while premium flagship models often choose ultrasonic technology for maximum security. This table summarizes our findings. Optical technology prioritizes affordability and screen compatibility, while ultrasonic technology focuses on 3D accuracy and environmental resilience. In conclusion, both technologies have distinct roles. Optical sensors provide excellent value, while ultrasonic sensors deliver top-tier reliability. Engineers select the right tool for the specific device.